ZANU-PF does not own any shares in Secunda Holdings, Ziyambi stated. All contracts were concluded in compliance with the Public Procurement and Disposal of Public Assets Act. At no time did the ZEC, Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, enter into the contract with Chivayo or any company associated with him. Sarapina mashoko response yapiwa aiwa kuzvikananda ichibva kuna VP Costa Nochwenga inyazoratidza kuti VP Costa Nochwenga now abva anyatsokuva Phyllis guilt vese in the Politburo. Mashoko anyazoratidza kuti Chiwenga muhombe, we don't know his move, but panguva ini abva avaudza kuti mese muri muno muri kusapota corruption munyika. Not subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi nema accusations responses ari kuitwa nana Ziyambi achioposa Chiwenga's dossier. Anoendera mberi zvichinzi the president is a constitutionalist who is not diverted from the constitution at any time. He stated there were 31 resolutions from the last conference, and agenda 2030 was resolution number 1. There is therefore nothing unconstitutional about it. He added pointedly, give the underlying circumstances, any attempt to destabilize the government on the basis of such falsehoods is tantamount to treason. The response repeatedly accused Chiwenga of being in denial and bitter. The author has clearly demonstrated his bitterness, Ziyambi said at one point. To question what happens to the president in his private space is immature and instructive. A good leader is a good follower. The author has shown he is not a good follower and therefore cannot be a leader. He also accused the vice president of hypocrisy, alleging that members of the presidium, including the author himself, host political meetings at their private farms. Ziyambi's reply dismissed that as strange and regrettable. It is surprising how the writer got hold of the BBI document if it was meant for parliament. He wrote, there is nothing treasonous about improving a political system. The BBI, which is being referred to, is actually promoting national building and cohesion. He claimed the initiative was an opposition document brought to him by TPC interim leader Senzo Chabangu in the company of General Kumalo from Vice President's office. Panapa tipinda Chiwenga's response, Obdamyo kwa mchinze. Chiwenga, it is understood, spoke briefly. He reportedly said, I have listened to all your presentations and I am convinced that all of you support Uganda is okay. I acknowledged it. Domashwa anopindura na VP Costa Nochwenga asiya Politburo yese aiwa yakatsikitsira. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri Zimbabwe moti kudai pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Awa pina comment section medu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like